doing a little early morning shopping at the salvage yard. They got a little 2013 Zuma right here, pretty much stripped out. They got some little old Metropolitan that's not air cooled. It's air cooled, not water cooled. I don't know what this thing is, man. The engine says it's a AF70E 49cc. I don't know, never seen that before. But the Yamaha don't have much. But over here in this trailer, they did throw the seat. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but mine has a little bit of a cigarette burn in it. So I'm definitely taking this. Okay, gang, back from the junkyard, and here's that Zuma seat I picked up for my Zuma at the junkyard. 13 bucks. I couldn't beat that. Now you can see the side that I already cleaned with my drill and brush, and the side that I haven't. I mean, the vinyl is still nice and soft. It's not crunchy like most things in the desert. But yeah, guys, now the reason I want to replace my seat on the Zuma is because of that guy right there. I mean, it's not bad. I could have the thing recovered, but not for 13 bucks. So, hey, I'm supposed to be asleep right now, but I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Well, guys, it is on. It's about the same condition as the old one over there. That one's just polished up from my gluteus maximus. Now, once I get my glutes on this sucker and ride it for a bit, should polish it up. Got a couple little spots from overspray. I kind of chipped them off real quick, but I think if I get some conditioner and wipe it and clean it and soak it, it'll look a whole lot better. But hey, man, it's a whole lot better not having that cigarette burn in it. Oh man. All right, guys, I'm gonna take my butt to work.